Welcome back to the program. Remember that the number one way to support this show is by getting a membership at joinpakman.com. If you've been looking at it very strongly or even not, this is a great time to do it. Go to joinpakman.com, choose any membership you like, monthly or yearly. If the price looks good, do it. If you want a little bit of a discount, how about 66% off with the coupon code 2020NOW? That is all one word, all lowercase, 2020NOW. You will save 66%. Let's pick up on some, I guess we're still calling them calls, even though this week they're from the David Pakman Show Discord. Let's see who wants to check in today. Let's go to Chris from Texas. Chris from Texas, you are on. What is on your mind today, my friend?
Hey, David. Can you hear me?
I can hear you perfectly.
All right. I called you about a couple of months ago, and I wanted to say thank you for teaching me how to think more critically. I remember saying how thought that Biden was not going to be able to win.
Yeah.
But looking at the polls from 538, it looks like it's pretty much over for Trump at this point. I mean, Biden would have to literally have to die in order for Trump to win right now.
Well, listen, I hope that you are right, but all we need to do is just vote, right? We ultimately have no control over anything other than whether we vote. So I love the optimism. The polls look ugly right now, but we just don't know in the 25 days that are left. We just don't know. So I share your cautious optimism. Let's focus on the cautious and let's make sure we vote.
Yeah, I understand. I'm gonna vote. I'm gonna vote next week, Tuesday as well.
Beautiful.
Also, I'm wondering too now, with two of the Senate members testing positive for coronavirus.
Three, in fact.
Oh, three now?
Yeah, well, it's Mike Lee, Tom Tillis, and Ron Johnson.
Yeah. So, do you think it's possible that Amy Coney's, however you pronounce her name, Amy Coney Barrett's nomination will be delayed now?
I do think that there is a good chance that it doesn't happen before Election Day. But if Republicans are determined, I don't see any way that it won't happen during the period between the election and the inauguration. My only hope is if the coronavirus positives prevent the vote from happening before November 3rd, and then Joe Biden wins and Democrats take the Senate and the Martha McSally seat is immediately seated, because remember, that's a special election. So if Mark Kelly wins, he might be seated right away. I'm hoping that there would be such outrage if Republicans still try to push it through. I'm talking outrage to the point of mass rallies, and I don't know if that will happen. That would be the dream scenario, that Republicans abandon the nomination. It's very optimistic. It's very uphill, but I think it's the only chance we've got.
Also, I'm kind of worried about packing the courts as well. I know people say that they want to pack the courts just because they want to at least be able to get progressive reform.
Yeah.
But I'm worried that it could be used against us in the future for Republicans to pack the court as well.
It certainly could. But here's what I would say. Here's what I would say to that, Chris. Joe Biden has not answered whether he would or wouldn't be in favor of that. And I think he's been smart not to answer it for now, because whatever he answers will become the focus. And it's not really what this is about. If you look back at Joe Biden's history, my reading of it is that he's unlikely to pack the court. So if you're concerned about that, I don't actually think Biden will do it.
Okay. My last question is, what do you think we should do if Joe Biden becomes president? Should we try to push him for more left-wing policies, or should we just try to undo all of the damage Trump has done first?
Well, it's both. It's not one or the other. I mean, a lot of the damage Trump has done can be undone via executive order.
Executive orders.
And at the same time, particularly if Democrats take the Senate, then you've got big legislative accomplishments that we can start working on. So you got to do both.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for the time, David.
Chris, I appreciate it so much. Chris from Texas. Great to hear from Chris from Texas. One of our sponsors today is Monk Pack Keto Granola Bars, and they are giving you 20% off when you go to davidpakman.com/snack and use the coupon code Pakman. You know, a lot of these low carb snack bars have a reputation for not tasting great, but I can tell you from trying these myself that is not the case with the Monk Pack Keto Granola Bars. They taste just as good, if not better, than the sugar-filled, chewy granola bars that many of us love. But these contain only 1 gram of sugar, 2 net carbs, only 140 calories. They're completely plant-based and gluten-free. Great for anybody following a low-carb diet, but also perfect for anybody like me who's just trying to reduce sugar intake, which I think is a good thing. I've been working on a box of these at home. They're delicious, soft, chewy texture, bunch of great flavors, including peanut butter, coconut cocoa chip, which is my personal favorite. It's great for a quick breakfast, a snack in the afternoon. I have been loving these. You can get to their website by going to davidpakman.com/snack. The link is under this video, and you'll get 20% off when you use the coupon code PAKMAN.